Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today's video is about how we can change Tinder account's password. Now let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and also press on the bell icon so that you won't be missing any upcoming updates or videos in the future. Now, to change your Tinder account's password, firstly open the application. You can see that we are on the home page of Tinder application. Let's click on the human icon. Tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. As we have used phone number during the sign up process, we will only need to change our phone number in order to change our password. Choose any of your phone number that you have access to and press on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will send you a verification code on your device. Type in the code and click on continue button. This is how you can change your Tinder account's password easily and quickly. If you have any thoughts or queries, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.